Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here the aniline is given with continuous double bonds. You have to find the number of signal in the proton and NMR spectroscopy. Here the problem in the blind side. You have to write the proton to identify the real NMR signal. If you do it, you will see the proton outside the ring periphery and ring side inside the ring. Here the inside the ring will have screening due to the ring resonance. So inside protons will behave different than the outside proton. The aniline system is aromatic, so ring current is diamagnetic. Outside proton will come around 7. Inside proton will be highly shielded. Totally it has 6 proton inside the ring, 12 proton outside the ring. So 12 proton outside the ring gives one signal and inside gives one signal. So totally 2 signals will come. Both are differ significantly. The concept you have to learn here is always identify whether the proton is inside the ring current or outside the ring current. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.